All right, well, good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to our morning math meeting. As you can see, I have my kids at home doing something similar to what we do at school each day. So let's refresh our memories while you are sorting your coins into pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. Let's sing our math song. Are you ready? Our money song. When you're counting money, label it please. Quarters, dimes, nickels, pennies. Start with the coin that's worth the most, then you won't become burnt toast. Don't forget the money sign, label it please. Doot, doot. And just for fun, let's go back and let's remind ourselves that a penny is worth 1 cent, 100 makes a dollar. Nickel, 5 cents, 20 makes a dollar. Dime, 10 cents, 10 makes a dollar. Quarter, 25 cents, 4 makes a dollar. Money muncher, munch, munch, munch. How much money can you munch for lunch? All right, so we're working with money. So we've warmed ourselves up with both of our money songs to help us remember some important tips when counting money. So each morning we've been counting the coins in our coin cup. And we start with the coin that's worth the most so we don't become burnt toast. So what I want you to start off doing, if you have a dry erase board at home, you can go ahead and use that with me. Just fold it in half, draw a line in half, or you could use a piece of paper and draw a line in half of your paper. Or you don't even need to do that. You could just use the left side of your work area and the right side. So don't feel like you need to stop the video and go get these things. But if you have them, great. Pause the video, go get it, and come on back. All right, so we're going to use this as a work mat. And I want you to put 2 quarters, 1 dime, 3 nickels, and let's just do 1 penny, all on one side of your desk or your work area. Now, when we are counting money, which coin do we count with first? We count with the coin that's worth the most, which would be our quarters. So when we count by quarters, we're going to count by 25. So we're going to count by 25, and as we do this, we're going to slide our coin from the left side of our work area to the right side. So are you ready? Let's count by 25s. 25, 50. Okay, which coin will we count next? Well, we're going to count the coin that's worth the most out of what's on this side of our work area, which is our dime. A dime's worth 10 cents. So when we count, we're going to find out, or we're going to count on with our 2 quarters, 50 cents, and our dime, 60. Now we go to the coin that's worth the most, again on this left side of our workspace, which is our nickel, and we're going to count on from 60. Nickels are worth 5 cents, so we're going to go 60, 65, 70, 75, and then we have 1 penny left, 76. So how much money did we slide across our workspace? We slid 76 cents. Now, could we trade any of these coins that's on this side of our work mat for a coin? Oh, here comes my dog. Oh, the joys of virtual teaching. Okay, so anyhow, so can we trade any of these coins for a coin that is worth more? What am I saying exactly? I'm saying, could we trade maybe 2 of these nickels, 5, 10, for a dime? We sure can. Now, can we trade any other coins? Nope, we can't. So let's count our money again. So let's slide it back over to the left side and let's count again. 25, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76. 76 cents. Right? Let's try it again. Let's do a different combination. So let's put our quarters back with our quarters. and our dimes and our nickels and our pennies. Let's put them all back and let's try a different one. This time I want you to try 1 quarter, 3 dimes, 2 nickels, and 6 pennies. All right, so we have all of that on the left side of our workspace. Now, let's slide over to the right space. Let's start with the coin that's worth the most so we don't become burnt toast, which is our quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. So let's start there. 25. Now we go back and we look. Which coins are we going to count next? We're going to use our dimes. We're going to count on from 25, counting by dimes, which are 10 cents. 25, 35, 45, 55. Now, from here, we go to our nickels. Nickels are worth 5 cents. We're going to count on from 55 cents. Are you ready? 55, 60, 65, and now we just count our pennies. 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. So we have 71 cents now. Again, could we have traded out anything over here for other coins? Let's take a look. What could we trade out? Well, 10, 20, 25, we could trade that out and get a quarter. That's one way we could have traded out coins. How many pennies do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What coin do we have that's worth 5 cents? Instead of dragging all these pennies over, we can get those back in there and grab a nickel instead. Now we have less money to drag across our board. Oh wait, do you see another way? I do. We could trade out our 2 nickels and grab a dime. Look at that. Now we have less coins in our pocket and less coins to drag across the board when we count one more time to make sure we definitely have 71 cents. All right, so we're going to start with the coin that's worth the most, which is our quarter. And let's drag it across. Are you ready? 25, 50, 60, 70, 71 cents. And we did that with a lot less coins in our pocket. Let's try another one. So let's take our coins off our workspace, put them back with their buddies over here, and let's grab 5 quarters. Do you have 5 quarters in your money bag? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do 5 quarters, 1 dime, 4 nickels, and 6 pennies. Whew, that is a lot of change to carry around in my pocket. So before we get started, let's see. What could we have used instead of 4 nickels? Who knows? Okay, you're right. We could take 2 of these nickels and grab a dime instead, and grab 2 of these other nickels and get another dime. How about our pennies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, we know that a nickel is worth 5 cents. So instead of using all those pennies, let's just grab a nickel. Do you see any other combinations of coins we could trade out so that we don't have as many to slide across our board? You're right. 10, 20, 25. Anything else? Okay, now, I hope you remember how to count by 25s because we're going to have to do that a lot. But Okay, let's count by 25s first. Are you ready? 25, 50, 75, $1, $1.25, $1.50, $1.60, $1.61. Who knew all those coins was $1.61? Now, slide your coins back over here to the left side with me. And here's what I was thinking. We know that how many quarters makes $1? 4 quarters makes $1. So we could have started there. $1, 25, 50, 61. $1.61. Okay, here's what I'm going to have you do now. Now, I'm going to tell you a certain amount of money, and you get to show that amount to someone at home using your quarters and nickels and dimes and pennies. So show 37 cents. Okay? And show this to someone at home to make sure that you have used 30 or made 37 cents. And I'm going to show you the way I'm going to make it. Let's see if we did the same way. All right, did I make 37 cents? 25, 35, 36, 37. 37 cents. Maybe you did yours a different way. If we were in class, we'd get to talk about all the different ways we could make 37 cents. But for now, you're just going to have to look at the way I made 37 cents and the way you made 37 cents and compare them. Okay, let's clear off our coins and let's do that with another amount. Let's make 45 cents. Let's see how you make 45 cents. So you make it your way, and while you're doing that, I'm going to make it my way. Okay, I've got mine. Do you have yours? Let's count mine. 25, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47 cents. Okay, let's clear that off. Let's make a different way. Let's do 68 cents. So you make 68 cents your way, and I'm going to make it mine. And I don't have enough pennies to do all pennies. Sorry, Jeb. 25, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68 cents. Does your way look like mine, or did you figure out a different way to make 68 cents? All right. Okay. Now, let's get serious. Let's make $1.21. I know that 4 quarters makes $1, so I'm going to start there. $1.10, $1.20, $1.21. This is how I made $1.21. How did you do it? Okay, let's try one last way because this isn't as much fun as it usually is in class, right? So let's do $1.43. 25, 50, 75, $1, $1.10, $1.20, $1.30, $1.40, $1.41, $1.42, $1.43. This is how I made $1.43. You try to do it either the same way or a different way at home. Okay, well, that was our lesson today. I hope you learned something new about counting money and how you can trade out coins so that you don't have as much money in your pocket. And I hope that you will do both sides of your guided practice sheet just for the extra practice. Have a great day, and I'll see you for our next math lesson. I hope I didn't put you to sleep like my dog.